Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a picture-in-picture post in Instagram story. If you're using Instagram and you want to make picture-in-picture post on Instagram stories, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app. Now here, you just have to scroll to left here to open your story page. Now you just have to click a photo. Once you have clicked the photo, now you want to add a more photo or on your photo or picture. So let's see how we can do that. Just tap on the stickers option here. Once you have selected stickers, you'll get a this up interface. Just select the photo option from here. Now on photo section, you just have to select any photo which you want to add. Let's say I'm gonna select um this one from here. Once you have selected, you can reshape it, resize it, or you can zoom in or out it. Let's using your two fingers here, or you can move it on your screen. So once you have done, you can add multiple photos using this method here. Just select the photo again, and here just select photo, and you just select the photo option, and you just have to look for a photo which you want to add. Let's say I'm gonna add this one, not this time. You can resize it, reshape it, or you can zoom it around. You can move this, or you can round this out. So once you have done, just tap on this share story option. It will be shared to your story. So in this way, you can easily make a picture-in-picture post in Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.